What's up, guys? It's Patrico, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the tornado. The tornado, you can use it on a stool, a dresser, or whatever thing that has a surface. Like, for instance, a table, anything. But I recommend using a table or a stool that has a round shape, because it would be easier to do a tornado on it, and it would be dense. For instance, if you were to do the tornado, you want to have the clouds slowly. You want to blow it out slowly so it can be on the surface. If you blow it hard, it will just whoosh out and you won't have any smoke on the surface. For instance, here we go. And one thing, you have to have a mouth to lung hit, not a mouth hit. Here we go. And there's two methods you can do it. I'm not sure if there's more, but the only two I know is that you can flick with the hand, flick with your arm. If you use the arm, you'll get more tornadoes, and finger rotation. But you probably get only smaller tornadoes as you're doing that. Now, since I'll do it again with the flick. That's the flick to the hand. Now I'm going to do the finger rotation. I'm not really good with the finger rotation, but with the flick to hand and the arm, I'm pretty good at. Now this is the arm. There you go. With the arm, you can get much bigger dents and bigger tornadoes. I like doing that method too. The arm and the hand flick. It's really nice. Here we go again. You get better results if you have your hand on here as you pull the cloud, and on the arm as well. And there you go, guys. That's the tornado. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, as producing clouds. And have a nice day, guys.